According to leading experts, XRP's price will experience a significant shift in comparison to Bitcoin. Keeping up with the latest developments is crucial for anyone interested in XRP or who already owns XRP coins. Learn about the most recent XRP news and how it may influence the coin's value. I'll address these questions and give you critical information that could have a beneficial effect on XRP pricing in today's video. Please watch the entire video in its entirety to fully benefit from my extensive research into it. Take a peek at the chart to see how XRP performed on May 2nd before we go into our first topic. We are offering 50 XRP as a giveaway today. Post a comment below with the hash XRP as your entry, like the video, and subscribe to be entered. Wishing you the best of luck. A single XRP coin is now worth $0.51. Within the past 24 hours, its value has increased to $1.53 billion. In the previous day, the price of XRP has increased by 4.9%, while in the past week it has decreased by 0.1%. Out of a total of 100 billion XRP coins, 48 billion are now in circulation. You should keep in mind that these rates can have changed when you watch the movie. I am not a financial advisor, and because investing in the cryptocurrency industry is fraught with peril, you should conduct your own research before doing so. Let's watch the movie. Updates on XRP today. Status report on the SECVS. Good news for XRP, the Ripple case acknowledges that the FONC affects the FONC interest rate decision. Many were interested in purchasing XRP and other cryptocurrencies after Wednesday's news conference and FONC interest rate announcement. Interest rates remained unchanged from the 5.25 to 5.5 target range set by the Federal Reserve. Though for the time being, Fed Chair Powell has stated that no further rate hikes are in the cards. Still, there has been minimal success in achieving the 2% inflation target, according to the Fed shares. Investors were pleased to hear that a rate hike by the Federal Reserve was unlikely. The value of XRP increased despite the ambiguity surrounding the SECVS Ripple lawsuit. In the near future, the CCVS and Ripple will provide a concise response. On Wednesday, investors had nothing fresh to consider regarding the SECVS Ripple case. May 1st, investors are waiting to hear back from the SEC on the Ripple opposition brief. It is probable that the CC will pursue a punitive disgorgement in an order, and it has until May 6th to submit its reply brief. Before Judge Analyst Sartoros decides on a sanction for selling unregistered XRP to institutional investors, the court may examine the rebuttal brief submission. March 22nd was the date of the SEC's initial report submission. In addition to requesting a fine of nearly $2 billion, the SEC also requested that the court prohibit the sale of XRP to institutional purchasers. Ripple raised valid legal arguments in its brief in opposition. According to Ripple, XRP sales made after the complaint were to authorized investors and ODC trades conducted over the counter, meaning that sales to these investors are exempt from U.S. securities regulations. Importantly, ODL agreements eliminate profit and loss. A contract for investment is being handled. The United States Supreme Court ruled in the Howey case that when one party puts money into a joint venture in the expectation that another party will also put money into it, a contract for investment exists. It is unrealistic to expect investors to earn money and does not fit the criteria for an investment contract when they purchase XRP for ODL reasons. There were no violations of U.S. stock regulations following the complaint, according to Ripple's case. What matters most, though, is the SEC's reply brief. Following recent rulings in cryptocurrency cases, the SEC intends to file an appeal. Investors may begin to consider their options for appealing the decision of the U.S. courts as to the appropriate punishment. The SEC sought to file an interlocutory appeal in October, but Judge Torres denied their motion. In response to the ruling, the SEC has wasted no time in resolving the Ripple matter in preparation for an appeal challenging the authorization of XRP automatic sales. Following the court's rejection of their request, the SEC withdrew the charges against Brad Garninger and Chris Larsson, co-founders of Ripple. They were able to proceed to the finding of remedies as a result of this. Investors' confidence in the outcome of an appeal is dwindling. By failing to register Luna and Terra, Terraform Labs and Duke, one violated U.S. securities laws, according to Judge Rakoff's December ruling. Judge Feeler recently denied Ray's request, most notably Coinbase's decision to fire. Subscribing and giving the video a like will let the station know that you enjoyed it. Furthermore, in order to avoid missing anything, make sure to remain attentive. Without further ado, let's view the remaining video. According to leading experts, XRP's price will experience a significant shift in comparison to Bitcoin. 3 prominent cryptocurrency analysts have forecasted an increase in the value of XRP relative to Bitcoin. For 2 of them, the impending relocation is an opportunity of a lifetime. Since its inception, Bitcoin has been the gold standard for the cryptocurrency industry, both in terms of user engagement and market capitalization. Bullish and bearish divergences can arise, however, because not all altcoins lag behind the leading cryptocurrency. Bitcoin is more successful than Ripple. Over the past few months, XRP's trajectory diverged from Bitcoin's. But this distinction is the reason why Bitcoin has outperformed XRP since July 2023. For this reason, XRP's value relative to Bitcoin has decreased by 70% since July 13th, when it reached $0.933.3. As for Ripple's case against the SEC, the judge found in their favor. From its all-time high of $0.93, price of XRP has steadily declined relative to Bitcoin. The most recent market surge, which occurred between October 2023 and March 2024, saw Bitcoin see far greater gains than XRP, exacerbating the latter's decline relative to the leading cryptocurrency. On the other hand, data shows that XRP's dismal performance began in January 2018, when it dropped from its all-time high of $3.31 won. For the past 5 years, XRP's performance has lagged behind Bitcoin's. According to a chart shown in a recent study by market expert Greg.by day's end, the XRP price needs to be higher than $0.00001 Greg made a valid point when he said that the $0.0001 level on the XRP Bitcoin 2-week chart is significant. On March 11th, XRP reached a high of $0.001031, the last occasion it was valued more than $0.0001 and then gently moved down. After losing the $0.001 the day after, XRP has been unable to regain it. According to Greg, XRP won't be able to challenge Bitcoin until it closes for 2 consecutive weeks above the $0.0001. It's intriguing that he identified a critical support zone spanning from $0.00441.07. He dubbed this region the YOLO band, and following that, its value fell 4 to 5% compared to Bitcoin. After that, its price skyrocketed to a new all-time high of $3.31 individual XRP. A significant change is on the horizon. Buyers have a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to purchase XRP at this 4% to 5% discount, according to Greg. He predicts that XRP will also fall, falling roughly 4% to 5% compared to Bitcoin, and that this once-in-a-lifetime opportunity will soon return. However, he clarified that the skyrocketing price of Bitcoin and not XRP's decline will be the reason of this decline. Crypto analyst JD also made a similar argument, however he used other trends. According to the JD graphic, XRP's performance has lagged behind Bitcoin since January 2017, making a perfect triangle with 7 years. XRP has tested the triangle's bottom trend line again due to the recent and worsening dips. Given that the RSI line is on the cusp of crossing above the May line and a hidden bullish divergence has developed on the XRP/Bitcoin 2-week chart, JD sees this as a precursor to a massive push-up. According to JD, the next action taken against Bitcoin will significantly impact his life. The positive sections of the crypto trading account 5.0 trading were also highlighted, with the recent breakout of XRP's downtrend against Bitcoin on the daily chart being highlighted specifically. But despite Bitcoin's decline below $60,000, XRP has outperformed Bitcoin in the past 2 days. The result shows that XRP has risen in value compared to Bitcoin by 9% over the past 2 days, with a current price of $0.000891, 5.0 after XRP broke over the daily negative trend. Trading demonstrated that this long-term upward trend had a significant role in the break. Just 4 times as much as Bitcoin, XRP is about to skyrocket. This is not the intended path for that reason, and we want you to know that. Neither are we recommending any particular business to you, nor are we offering you any kind of financial advice. This is merely a means by which we may provide you with instructional content. Be wary of con artists. Using WhatsApp or any other app, we will never request payment. Be wary of comments or emails posing as being from our station. Do not click on them. Any instances of fraud or deceit should be reported. Head on over to YouTube, where we'll see you next on the top crypto news program, Crypto Ledger. Bye.